Precheck, a module inside of Vericut's CNC Machine Connect, is guaranteed to take your shop floor to the next level. Through CNC Machine Connect, end users can benefit from having Vericut access real-time machine data from Scytec Data Exchange for the most accurate digital twin possible and prevent unforeseen errors from occurring. With Precheck, manufacturers can now verify that their CNC machines are set up exactly as they were intended in the Vericut simulation. During Precheck, if a discrepancy is found, for example with the tool offset, the operator can see the Precheck failed. The CNC programmer can automatically be alerted through email, text message, or Microsoft Teams, as well as updating a dashboard notifying the CNC programmer to rerun the simulation to see if the offsets at the CNC machine will work. With the click of a button, Vericut is updated with the values from the CNC machine and the simulation can be rerun. If successful, users will save the updated Precheck files for CNC machine verification. If unsuccessful, a problem was identified and action needs to be taken. If a machine is currently finishing up another job, a programmer can use CNC Machine Connect to save Precheck data for later use by the operator out on the shop floor. When Precheck information is saved by the CNC programmer, its status can be shown on the dashboard, notifying the operator that the program is ready to be downloaded to the CNC. When the CNC operator completes the setup, a Precheck can be performed right from the shop floor using a PC or a tablet next to the machine. Real-time data will be pulled from the CNC through Scytec Data Exchange, allowing Vericut to compare items such as work offsets, tooling offsets, CNC programs, machine parameters, and positions to ensure the CNC machine is set up the way it was intended. The Precheck feature in Vericut caters towards manufacturers in pursuit of the best digital twin possible. Ask your local Vericut resource about this tremendous industry integration today.